Welcome, traders. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn TradingView's new Watchlist Alert feature into automated trades with TV Hub. First, we need to create a new watch list. Give it a name and add the trading symbols we're interested in. Next, click on the new Create Alert on List button. Here, we define the alert condition. In this case, I'll choose my preferred strategy. Now we need to set up the alert message. To do this, we head over to TV Hub and create our trade command. First, I select the trading pair. We'll make this part dynamic later. Next, I define the trade size as an absolute value, a percentage of my balance, or a risk-based value. I'll go with 20% of my available balance. Then I set a stop loss of 1.5% and a take profit of 2% for the entire position. Optional, if my strategy frequently flips between long and short, I can enable the Close Current Position option. Once everything is set, I hit the Generate button and copy the trade command. Back in TradingView, I paste the trade command into the message input field. To make this alert dynamic, I replace the trading pair with the ticker placeholder. One last step, make sure webhooks are enabled in the Notifications tab. You can find more details about this in the Setup section of the docs. Now I simply choose the time frame for the alert and click Create. That's it. From now on, whenever an alert triggers for any trading pair in my watch list, it will be automatically executed by TV Hub. Happy trading!